This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Today we're sharing what $100 gets you at a luxurious hotel here in India. We are on the third stop of the famous Indian Golden Triangle. We're here in Jaipur in Rajasthan. So far it is gorgeous, but Jaipur has really beautiful heritage hotels scattered around, and you can easily spend around $700 on a hotel. Unfortunately, $100 is about our maximum. This is how much we spend when we want to treat ourselves, and $100 is really good value here in India. Let's check this place out. Welcome to the room tour. Look at this place. It is literally turquoise, which is my favorite color. The ceiling is amazing. This is the superior twin room and it is pretty huge, but let's take you through all the things that are included in this room. First of all, we've got a coffee and tea making station. We got welcome drinks as well, cherry or raspberry, nice little drinks. We also got welcoming desserts here. We've got a TV behind us and it's small, you don't need it. I've never watched TV in a hotel room ever before, so that's just, it's nice to have. This is the big air conditioning. It cools off this entire room. And then we've got the twin beds behind us. Super soft, super comfortable, and very luxurious linen. Two little seats here, and I'm a bit of a history buff and so is Rhett. We love little touches that, I don't know, we love antiques and stuff. And this little stool is just so cute. I don't know, it looks like it's gold plated or something. I don't know, I think it's just so cute, isn't it?
That's cute.
And then in the corner of the room, there's doors there. We thought it went to the shower, but they don't open, but they've got big brass locks on them. I just think it's so fascinating. This is a heritage hotel, which means it holds so much history, and it was once a hunter's lodge. And the best part is this hotel is run and owned by the royal family. We read on booking.com that it's family run, but it happens to be a royal family that's running it. So there are very royal touches. Red's got his workstation already set up there with a beautiful little lamp that reminds me of, like, I don't know, the explorers that used to look at big maps of the world and mark their routes and stuff. I don't know, Red's been playing Uncharted, the video game, and I've been watching the whole time. I'm fascinated by that kind of stuff. But oh my gosh, guys, please look at this bathroom. It's the most beautiful bathroom I have ever seen in my life.
Before we show you more of this awesome hotel, let's tell you about today's sponsor of the video, Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one web hosting platform that we've personally been using for about 3 years now. It's incredibly easy to use and took us about 1 hour to design and build our entire website because of their awesome drag and drop features and amazing templates that give you such a good starting point. But if you do run into any problems setting up your website, they have a whole host of forums, YouTube explainer videos, and even 24/7 customer support. So whether you want to start your own blog, create a space to show off your portfolio online, or start your own business selling a product, Squarespace has all the tools you'll need to make it happen. If you're interested, head to squarespace.com/RhettandClaire to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or domain using code RhettandClaire. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Squarespace. We appreciate you.
Let's be honest, have you ever seen such a gorgeous bathroom in your life? I thought the room was pretty, but then when I walked in here, my breath was literally taken away, and I'm not exaggerating.
What?
This is the nicest bathroom I've ever seen. This is not a collaboration, by the way. We're paying for this. We just thought we'd treat ourselves since we've been doing very cheap accommodations recently, and it's nice to have a very comfortable stay once in a while, especially when you're creating content and stuff. You really just need to zone into the editing. Anyway, off track, we've got tons of towels, 2 of everything. We've got a beautiful dressing cupboard. It's got hangers and a safe. and they do laundry here as well. We've got a hair dryer, and oh yes, air conditioning in here as well. And this, oh, honestly, isn't this just so beautiful? They give you all sorts of soaps, conditioners, shampoos. They even give you a loafer. We've never been to a hotel that gives you a loafer. Like, I don't know, that's a really nice touch. Anyway, we've got some incense here. This beautiful mirror with turquoise. Laundry basket over here. We've got the toilet. Honestly, like, just look at this. Anyway, we've got the bun gun, toilet paper, very rare in India, and then this massive shower. Honestly, biggest shower we've ever seen, I think. And look at the tiling. Oh my gosh. And then some more shampoos and soaps and all sorts. And the pressure of the shower is, and the temperature is so good too. That's important for it.
We've had cold showers with like dribbling water.
Yeah, so dribbling water and cold showers recently, it hasn't been fun. But I think that's pretty much it for the room tour. Oh my gosh, I decided as soon as we walked in here that Brett and I are going to have a bathroom that looks just like this one day when we build a home. Thank you. One of the things that come complimentary with your stay is a quick 7-minute head and neck massage. It was a good little taste into what their spa offers, because they do have a spa, they have a gym as well, and a restaurant on site. I think we might book a little spa treatment later, because not feeling so great in the bodies. Now we're walking the grounds to show you the different rooms. Basically, everything is so picturesque and natural and quiet, which is something we haven't experienced in the last week or so in India.
Oh my goodness, that was a very comfortable and solid sleep, because I think it was just so quiet. Alright, time for breakfast, let's go.
Oh my goodness, this hotel has been such a treat. We had an incredible sleep last night. The linen in the bed was so soft and comfortable. The temperature was perfect, and the best part about this place is that it is so quiet. Oh my goodness. We're so used to the loud noises. In fact, the one night was so overwhelmed with the noises here in India because there was a festival going on. But here it's peaceful, it's quiet. I don't know if you can hear the birds. They're tweeting away. It is just stunning, the sound of the pool. There's greenery everywhere and all sorts of plants. Oh, this is pure bliss, and it's such a wonderful way to spend your time here in Jaipur. We highly recommend this place. Oh my goodness.
If you do want to book this, you can go to booking.com. We'll leave the link in the description for you. It was just under $100, which is really, really good value. It does come with breakfast, which was awesome this morning. You have a full selection from fruits, granolas, yogurts, pancakes, muffins, omelets, just all sorts of stuff. And you can eat, I think, as much as you want. And yeah, obviously really good coffee too. Another thing we really liked was that the staff are so polite. They speak English, and yeah, they're just ready to serve with whatever you need.
This hotel definitely gives off very luxurious vibes. Not only is the decor very luxurious, but the staff, the way they treat you, all the amenities, the room, all of that is quite posh. And for only $100 a night, that's a freaking bargain, because we paid maybe 350 USD for our New York hotel room that was tiny and the staff were non-existent. So oh my gosh, India is turning out to be one of the cheapest countries we visited, and really, really good value for money.
I think my only negative comment about the place would just be the internet speed. It's 2 megabytes per second up and down, which is actually really slow. I've been barely able to do any of the work we needed to do, even though there is a nice desk to sit at. but I don't know, it just seems to be the thing here because at the Starbucks it was also 2 megabytes per second. So not sure what's happening here in Jaipur. As you may have seen from our previous videos, the Indian royals really like their lavishness. They were super luxe. This hotel isn't at the top end. You can definitely get more luxurious, so if you are looking for that, just check out booking.com. There were definitely more expensive places than this, but I think this is pretty good value for $100. And another thing to consider is we booked the cheapest room in this hotel. I mean, look at some of these rooms. They are stunning. We wish we could afford some of those, but unfortunately we can't. Not this time around.
Insert this one here that's got this beautiful archway. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
manifesting that we can stay in there one day.
Yeah, so this is the $100, the Superior Deluxe room, I think. So that's the cheapest they offer here. And I think it goes up to about $300-400 max in this hotel.
Yeah, but I like our room, eh?
Yeah, it's still very, very nice.
Yes,
it's more than good enough for us.
It's comfy, it's beautiful, it's blue.
Yes. Oh, we only had one night here, so it is time to pack up. But we are going to a highly rated homestay next. So stay tuned for the next video. We will see you then. Bye.